The blinking white light on your HP docking station is a diagnostic indicator that signals specific problems with your device. Understanding what this light means is the first step to resolving the issue. This blinking white light typically indicates one of five main problems. Let me show you what each of these issues means and how they affect your docking station. This issue commonly affects HP's Elite, Pro, and Thunderbolt docking station series. Now let me show you the basic troubleshooting steps that resolve about 40% of these problems. Step 1 is the power cycle reset. Disconnect all cables from your docking station, including the power adapter. Wait 30 seconds, then reconnect the power first, followed by the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Step 2 involves cable inspection. Check your USB-C or Thunderbolt cables for any physical damage. Test with known working cables and ensure they support both data and power delivery, not just charging. Step 3 is port verification. Try different USB-C or Thunderbolt ports on your laptop. Clean the ports with compressed air to remove any debris or corrosion that might interfere with the connection. These three basic troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 40% of blinking white light issues. If your docking station is still showing the blinking light after trying these steps, you may need to proceed to more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the blinking white light, advanced solutions focus on software updates and system configuration. Start by updating your drivers and firmware from the HP support website. Next, adjust your power management settings. Disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Options, and modify USB Root Hub power management settings to prevent the system from turning off USB devices to save power. Hardware verification is crucial for resolving persistent issues. Ensure adequate ventilation around your docking station to prevent overheating. Always use the original HP power adapter with the correct wattage, typically 65, 90, or 120 watts depending on your model. Prevention is the best solution. Implement a regular maintenance schedule with monthly cleaning and quarterly firmware updates. Monitor your environment for proper temperature and humidity levels. Train users on proper docking and undocking procedures to prevent hardware damage and connection issues.